All right, this is Unit 2 for ASL 3, and we're starting off with the sign accepted, and it's going to be kind of like lazy fives to flat O's, and you bring it into your chest. Acquisition, or to pick up on something very easily, is going to be 8 hand shapes, and then you just go forward with it. Analyze is 2 bent V's, and you just go down right in front of you. Apply, as if you were going in to apply for a job, is going to be a 2 in your dominant hand, a 1 in your non-dominant, and you just place it right over the 1. Page is going to be a 10 in your dominant, non-dominant is a closed 5, and you're just going to brush towards you. Certificate or certification is 2 C's, and you just tap them together. Change can be done with 2 A hand shapes like this, or with 2 X's like this. Complex is 2 1s, and you just do it right out in front of your face, and you just wiggle as you cross your arms. Condense, abbreviate, and summarize, all the same sign made with 5s to S hand shapes, and you just bring them in together, and you end stacked on top of each other. Congratulate or congratulations, you're gonna close your hands, clasp your hands like this, and just kind of shake. Debate is going to be with a 1 in your dominant hand, non-dominant is just a closed 5, and you're just going to tap. Denied is going to be a 10 hand shape, and you just do a thumbs down. Dictionary is made with a D in your dominant hand, non-dominant is a closed 5, and you just kind of brush and circle towards your body. Diploma can be made with F's or D hand shapes, and all you do is place them together and pull them apart. Do or O is going to be with a 1 in your hand, a 1 hand shape and a closed 5, and you're just going to point into your non-dominant hand. Expand is going to be a 1 in your non-dominant, an S in your dominant that's going to change to a 5, and you're going to pull away from your non-dominant hand. Guidance counselor is going to be a flat O to a 5, and then the agent marker. Interact or socialize is going to be 2 10 hand shapes. You're going to kind of put your palm orientations opposite directions and circle, or 2 5s like this. Letter of recommendation is going to be a 10 to your closed 5 here, letter, and then recommendation or recommend is 2 closed 5s that you just bring up 1 time. Major and minor are made with 2 closed 5 or B hand shapes, and you just slide. So major is like this above your non-dominant hand, minor is underneath. Misunderstand is a 2 hand shape starting at your forehead, and you just flip your palm orientation. So your pointer touches your forehead, and then you flip to your middle finger touching. National Honor Society is going to be a U hand shape. You're going to circle and drop for nation or national. Honor is going to be 2 H's, and you just go forward 1 time. And then society is with 2 S's, and you just circle. Objective or goal is 2 1s. Dominant hand touches your forehead, non-dominant is slightly elevated, and then you're just going to point. Off topic is going to be an S to a 1 in your dominant. Non-dominant is just a 1. And you do put the S behind your non-dominant, and then you go out. Opportunity, the hand shape changes from 2 O's to P's, and so as you go forward, it kind of dips a little bit like this, you change your hand shape. Presentation or present is with 2 closed 5s. Dominant hand is like this, and you just kind of chop forward. Program is made with a P in your dominant. Non-dominant is a closed 5, and you go up and over your non-dominant hand. Project is with a P and then a J in your dominant. Non-dominant stays a closed 5, and again you go up and over and into the J. Remember is with 2 10s. Dominant starts at your forehead and then meets your non-dominant thumb. Forget is with a closed 5, and you just swipe it off your forehead. Responsible or responsibility is 2 closed 5s. at your dominant shoulder, and you just kind of slightly lower your shoulder. Review is with an R and your thumb out. Non-dominant hand is a closed 5, and you just bring it back towards you. Scholarship is an S in your dominant hand. Non-dominant is a closed 5, and you just tap the S. A lot of times you get money for scholarships, so it's with an S hand shape. Semester is an S hand shape as well, and you just have your palm out and you kind of trace like a 7. Student government is the sign student plus government. Success is going to be 2 ones, palm in, and then you're going to make 2 kind of like humps going out. Valedictorian is the student who is the top of their class, so you sign top and then class. And the last one is year round. It's 2 one-hand shapes. You start finger to finger, and then you just do 1 big loop around.